Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by checking identity and connectivity. Make sure both iPhone and iPad sign into the same Apple ID and are on a stable Wi-Fi network. Cellular sync can be slower. On your iPhone Open settings, tap your name, then iCloud and turn contacts on. This uploads to iCloud. Once done, leave the phone connected for a few minutes so initial upload completes. This step ensures the master contact list is in iCloud rather than floating locally on one device. Now move to the iPad and enable contacts in iCloud the same way. This tells the tablet to download the cloud copy. Open the Contacts app and pull down to force a refresh. This triggers an immediate sync. If contacts don't show, sign out and back into iCloud or toggle contacts off and on to restart sync. Use iCloud. COM for bulk merging if you see duplicates. Cleaning there applies to both devices. Make sure both devices stay online until sync shows complete. Finish by comparing contact counts on iPhone and iPad. Open a few entries to confirm photos and notes synced. If you need an immediate one-time transfer, select contacts on iPhone and airdrop vCards to the iPad, or export a vCard from Contacts or iCloud. COM and import on iPad. If things go wrong, toggle iCloud contacts off and on, ensure iCloud storage isn't full, and confirm both devices run supported iOS versions. These fixes resolve most sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.